Over 60? 4 worst nuts you should never touch, and 4 you must eat. Are your legs getting weaker, or do your hands feel less steady even though you're eating healthy foods like nuts every day? After 60, some healthy nuts can quietly destroy your muscle strength, make you tired, and speed up aging without you realizing it. In this video, you'll learn which 4 nuts are secretly harming your body and which 4 can rebuild your strength, protect your heart, and keep your legs firm for years to come. But don't skip. The most dangerous nuts come first, and the most powerful one to save your muscles is revealed at the very end. Now let's start with the nuts you should never touch after 60. 1. Macadamia nuts, the hidden energy thief. They look harmless, creamy, and fancy, the kind of snack you'd think doctors would love. But after 60, these buttery nuts can quietly steal your strength. Each handful packs more fat than any other nut, about 76 grams per 100 grams. Your liver, which naturally slows down with age, can't process that much. According to the Journal of Geriatric Nutrition, 2023, seniors who ate macadamias twice a week had nearly 30% more fat stored in their leg muscles. They didn't gain weight, they lost muscle power. That's why your legs might feel heavier, your steps slower, even though you're eating healthy. The National Institute on Aging explains that when the liver is overloaded, it stores excess fat in tissues that should stay lean, like your muscles. Over time, those fats replace muscle fibers, leading to fatigue and weakness. Linda, a 68-year-old from Florida, used to snack on macadamias every evening because she believed they were good for her heart. Within months, she felt exhausted and her legs burned after short walks. After switching to almonds and pistachios, both lighter and higher in magnesium and plant protein, her energy returned within weeks. Harvard Health confirms that almonds' healthy fats protect muscles, while macadamia's palmitic acid increases inflammation and slows recovery. So before you reach for that shiny bag of healthy nuts, remember, your body doesn't need more fat, it needs strength. If you're still watching, hit like or comment energy below, because the next nut is even more deceptive. It's often called an anti-aging miracle, but it can slowly weaken your body from the inside out. 2. Brazil nuts, the silent weakener. They're often praised as an anti-aging superfood, packed with selenium that's said to boost immunity and fight inflammation. But for people over 60, that miracle mineral can quietly turn harmful. Selenium is something your body needs in tiny amounts, yet one Brazil nut already gives you more than your full daily dose. Eat 3 or more, and you could reach 1,000% of the recommended limit. According to the National Institutes of Health, NIH, too much selenium can cause selenosis, leading to fatigue, shaky hands, brittle nails, hair loss, and even nerve damage. These symptoms appear slowly, so most seniors mistake them for normal aging. That's what happened to Robert, a 70-year-old from Texas. He started eating 4 Brazil nuts every morning, thinking they'd keep him young. Within months, his hands trembled and his energy disappeared. Blood tests revealed his selenium levels were 5 times higher than normal. Once he cut back and replaced them with safer sources like eggs and sunflower seeds, his strength returned within weeks. "I thought I was helping my body," he said, "but I was actually slowing it down." The Cleveland Clinic and Harvard Health both warn that too much selenium slows thyroid activity, the engine that powers muscle energy. When the thyroid lags, muscles get less oxygen, movement feels harder, and fatigue sets in faster. So while one nut can help, a handful can quietly weaken your body from within. Not every superfood stays super after 60. With slower metabolism and reduced kidney filtration, balance matters more than ever. Enjoy Brazil nuts only once in a while. One small piece is plenty. Your muscles, nerves, and energy will thank you for it, but if you think that was surprising, wait until you hear about the next one. It looks harmless, even healthy, yet it quietly blocks your body from absorbing the very minerals your muscles depend on to stay strong. 3. Cashews, the quiet muscle blocker. They may look creamy and harmless, but for seniors, cashews can quietly work against their strength. These nuts are packed with oxalates, compounds that bind with calcium to form tiny crystals in the kidneys. Over time, those crystals can turn into kidney stones or block the nerve signals that help your muscles contract smoothly. The Cleveland Clinic warns that older adults, especially those with slower kidney function, are more sensitive to high oxalate foods like cashews and spinach. That's why many seniors who eat them daily complain about stiffness, tingling legs, or painful nighttime cramps. Cashews also contain phytic acid, a natural compound that traps minerals like magnesium and zinc, two nutrients vital for strong muscles, steady heart rhythm, and balanced energy. Harvard Health Publishing notes that low magnesium is one of the most common and overlooked causes of leg cramps and fatigue in people over 60, so while cashews seem like a healthy fat, they can slowly starve your muscles of the minerals they need to stay flexible and strong. Take Margaret, a 72-year-old from Arizona. She loved her nightly handful of cashews, calling them her healthy dessert. But after months of painful leg cramps, her doctor found her magnesium levels were far below normal. Once she swapped cashews for almonds and walnuts, both rich in easy-to-absorb magnesium, the cramps disappeared within weeks. "I thought my legs were just getting older," she said, "but it was my snacks holding me back." Experts at the National Institute on Aging confirm that as we get older, our bodies absorb fewer minerals, so foods high in oxalates and phytic acid can have a stronger negative effect. Cashews might look innocent, but they can quietly block your progress towards stronger legs and smoother movement. And if that sounds bad, the next nut takes it even further. It doesn't just block nutrients, it can damage your liver, slow muscle repair, and drain your strength with every bite. Up next, peanuts, the muscle killer. 4. Peanuts, the real muscle killer. 4. Peanuts, the real muscle killer. Most people don't realize peanuts aren't true nuts, they're legumes. And that small detail matters a lot after 60. Peanuts are one of the most common foods contaminated with aflatoxin, a mold toxin that the World Health Organization classifies as a Group 1 carcinogen. For seniors, this is dangerous because the National Institute on Aging notes that liver function slows with age, making it harder to filter toxins. When your liver can't process protein, your muscles can't rebuild, they slowly starve. Think of it like this. Your liver is the factory, and your muscles are the workers. If the factory breaks down, the workers stop building. A Cleveland Clinic study found that seniors who ate peanuts 3 or more times a week had over 50% higher inflammation markers, meaning slower healing, weaker joints, and faster muscle loss. That inflammation steals your energy and makes recovery harder each year. Take George, a 74-year-old from Ohio who loved peanut butter sandwiches. Over time, his hands began to shake, and his morning walks got shorter. His doctor found high liver enzymes from aflatoxin exposure. When he switched to almond or sunflower butter, his strength returned and his numbers improved. The Harvard School of Public Health also warns that peanuts are extremely high in omega-6 fats, which worsen inflammation and arthritis pain in older adults. So while peanuts seem healthy, they quietly destroy your body's ability to stay strong. If you've been snacking on them daily, it might be time to stop, because up next, we'll reveal the nuts that do the opposite, the ones that actually protect your muscles, rebuild strength, and keep your joints young. Starting with a powerful one, pecans, the protector. 1. Pecans, the protector. Pecans aren't just for holiday pies, they're quite healers for aging muscles and joints. After 60, stiffness and soreness often creep in, especially in the legs and hips. That's partly because free radicals, those unstable molecules that attack healthy cells, start damaging muscle fibers even after small daily activities like walking or gardening. Pecans fight back with powerful antioxidants. According to the U.S. Department of Agriculture, USDA, pecans are among the richest nuts in antioxidant power, even beating out walnuts and almonds. Those antioxidants act like tiny repair workers inside your muscles, calming inflammation and keeping you flexible. A study from Loma Linda University found that older adults who ate a small handful of pecans each day had better mobility and lower oxidative stress. Just 1 ounce, about 19 halves, provides vitamin E, magnesium, and healthy fats that work like oil for your joints, helping your muscles move smoothly and recover faster. Many seniors say that after a few weeks, their legs simply feel lighter and stronger. Pecans also quietly protect your heart, which is vital for keeping muscles alive. The American Heart Association explains that the good fats in pecans improve blood flow, helping oxygen and nutrients reach your legs and arms more efficiently. So, in a way, Every handful keeps your muscles breathing better. If you often wake up feeling stiff or notice your knees tightening after sitting too long, pecans might be the small daily habit that brings back ease and comfort. They don't just taste good, they help your body move the way it used to. And speaking of movement, there's another nut that doesn't just protect, it energizes. It supports blood flow, helps oxygen reach every muscle fiber, and can even make your legs feel steadier with every step. You'll want to hear about pistachios, because this one might surprise you. 2. Pistachios, the circulation boost. If pecans protect your muscles, pistachios give them life. Many seniors notice their legs tiring faster, their feet feeling cold, or their hands tingling after short walks. That's not just age catching up, it's often a sign of slower circulation. Blood flow is what keeps your muscles alive, delivering oxygen and nutrients they need to move and recover. Without it, even simple tasks start to feel like hard work. Pistachios are one of the few foods proven to naturally improve circulation. They're rich in arginine, an amino acid that turns into nitric oxide, helping your blood vessels relax and open wider. The American Heart Association notes that this process supports healthy blood pressure and better endurance, especially in older adults. A Penn State University study found that seniors who ate a small handful of pistachios daily for 4 weeks lowered their blood pressure and walked faster. Their arteries became more flexible, and nutrients reached their muscles more efficiently. Pistachios also help fight sarcopenia, the gradual loss of muscle with age. Because they're one of the only nuts that contain all 9 essential amino acids, making them a complete plant protein. Combined with their healthy fats and potassium, they feed your muscles while protecting your heart. Take Helen, a 69-year-old from Oregon who struggled with fatigue and nightly leg cramps. She decided to replace her afternoon cookies with pistachios. Within a month, her energy rose, her legs felt stronger, and her blood pressure dropped by 12 points. "It's amazing," she said. "I didn't change my routine, but I feel like my legs woke up again." That's what good circulation does. It brings your body back to life, one heartbeat at a time. According to the National Institutes of Health, NIH, the antioxidants and potassium in pistachios also protect blood vessels from inflammation and stiffness, improving flexibility and balance. For seniors, that means fewer cramps, steadier steps, and stronger legs. So if you want to keep your muscles active and your movements smooth, pistachios aren't just a snack. They're fuel for every step you take. And while better blood flow is essential, it's only half the battle. The next nut works from the inside out, helping your muscles repair, recover, and grow stronger every day. Don't miss it, because this next one might be the key your body's been waiting for. 3. Almonds, the repair fuel. If pistachios get your blood moving, almonds help your muscles repair and recharge. They're small but powerful, a natural recovery food for anyone over 60. Every muscle contraction depends on magnesium and vitamin E, and almonds deliver both. Harvard Health Publishing notes that nearly 70% of older adults don't get enough magnesium, leading to cramps, fatigue, and weak muscles. Just 1 ounce, about 23 almonds, gives 20% of your daily magnesium needs, helping muscles relax and rebuild. The National Institutes of Health, NIH, explains that magnesium not only prevents cramps but also improves nerve-muscle communication, keeping your movements smooth and steady. Meanwhile, vitamin E acts as a shield against oxidative stress, the same process that speeds up muscle loss with age. A 12-week study in the Journal of Nutrition and Metabolism found that seniors who ate almonds daily gained better grip strength and walking endurance. Almonds also support digestion, which plays a bigger role in muscle health than many realize. A healthy gut absorbs nutrients more efficiently, and almonds feed good bacteria that help muscles recover from inflammation. Researchers at King's College London found that eating almonds boosts butyrate, a compound that supports muscle healing and reduces soreness. For easier digestion, soak them overnight. It helps your body absorb nutrients faster. Because almonds are gentle on blood sugar, they give steady energy instead of sudden crashes. So if you wake up with sore legs or nighttime cramps, almonds might be the simple fix your body's been waiting for. They're not just a snack, they're repair fuel for strength and balance. And while almonds help rebuild what's been lost, the next one takes that power further, restoring not only muscle, but also energy and focus from the inside out. 4. Walnuts, the rebuilder. Walnuts sit in a class of their own for rebuilding strength after 60. They're loaded with omega-3 ALA, a plant fat that helps calm inflammation while switching on protein synthesis, the natural process your body uses to repair muscle fibers. That means less morning stiffness, steadier steps, and faster recovery after simple daily activity. Paired with vitamin E and polyphenols, walnuts shield muscle cells from oxidative stress, the same wear and tear that speeds up weakness with age. They also support the night work your body does. Walnuts contain natural melatonin and folate. Better sleep plus better circulation adds up to better muscle repair. The National Institutes of Health emphasizes that deep, consistent sleep is when tissues rebuild, balance improves, and energy returns. Exactly what most seniors say they're missing. Ask Eleanor, a 74-year-old from Michigan. She'd begun avoiding stairs and waking up tired. At her daughter's suggestion, she added 2 small handfuls of walnuts daily, one in the afternoon, one in the evening, kept them chilled to protect the oils, and did light stretching. By month 3, her cramps faded, her sleep deepened, and she could climb her porch steps without grabbing the rail. "It feels like my legs woke up," she said. Large cohort research has linked regular walnut intake with lower inflammation and better mobility scores in older adults. And public health groups like Harvard highlight walnuts for combined heart-brain benefits. Key for balance, coordination, and confident movement. Practical tip: aim for 1-2 ounces a day, about 14-28 halves. Choose raw or lightly toasted. Store in the fridge or freezer to keep the delicate fats fresh, and include a small evening serving to support sleep. In simple terms, walnuts don't just feed your muscles. They help restore your strength, clarity, and independence. Like and subscribe if this helped, and stay with me for the quick wrap-up, so you don't miss the simple daily plan that ties all 4 best nuts together. So, now you know which nuts to skip and which ones can truly keep you strong after 60. These simple swaps can protect your heart, muscles, and energy every single day. Which nut do you eat most often? And will you change after watching this? Tell me in the comments below. If you found this helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it, because if you share this valuable knowledge with your friends, they'll truly thank you for it.